Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Honorable Union Minister, Urban Development, Housing and Poverty Alleviation and Parliamentary Affairs, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu Garu, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Home and Disaster Management, and also Chairman of the Steering Committee, Second World Congress, Sri Chinna Rajappa Garu, Honorable Minister, Ayyana Patrudi Garu, Sri Ganta Srinivasarao Garu, Honorable Parliament Member, Srinivas Garu, Honorable MLAs, Honorable MPs, Principal Secretary J.C. Sharma Garu, Visakhapatnam Collector Sri N. Yuvaraj Garu, distinguished guests, Professor Amita Singh from JNU and Secretary General Napi Saab, and last band UNICEF Chief, DRR, India. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an important day for us. The Second World Congress on Disaster Management is being inaugurated in a few minutes from now by none other than our beloved Chief Minister, Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu. I want to place on record here before all of you that Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu is the one who inaugurated the first national conference on traffic management and road safety way back in 1998, as he was the then Chief Minister of United Andhra Pradesh. After that, our organization DMICS held series of national, international conferences on different subjects related to disaster management. Today again, Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, as the Chief Minister of the newly created state of Andhra Pradesh, is here to inaugurate the Second World Congress on Disaster Management. Sir, I am extremely grateful to you, sir, and your blessings in this endeavor. We are here to participate in realizing your dream of building a resilient Andhra Pradesh. Today, sir, many state government departments, central government organizations, United Nations organizations joined us in this effort. Research and technology based organizations, UN civil society organizations have all come forward to support this venture in a dynamic way. The purpose of this Second World Congress is to bring the disaster management stakeholders, especially disaster management authorities, practitioners, researchers, academicians, governance representatives, including representatives of communities. In this World Congress, a unique space has been created for children and youth as for the mandate of global framework for disaster risk reduction. Sir, as everyone knows, Visakhapatnam experienced a rare kind of urban disaster exactly a year ago on October 12, 2014. Government of Andhra Pradesh, under your dynamic leadership, Visakhapatnam district and other civil society organizations responded in an efficient way. And we would like to showcase these experiences also and learning for effective management of disasters. Andhra Pradesh, with its huge coastal line, is always at risk of hazards which turn into disasters. Yet, we do not get beaten by them, but rather bounce back quickly. And we wish to tell the world that there is a good model to learn about disaster management and replicate it. Globally, our priorities have been well defined for disaster risk reduction at Sendai, Japan in March 2014. The first priority is understanding the disaster risk. Second priority is strengthening of disaster risk governance. The third priority is investing in disaster risk reduction for resilience. The fourth priority is preparedness to build back better. Further, our focus is also on critical infrastructure, national and local strategy, early warning and risk information, use of technology for risk information development and preparedness. Today, about 1,000 participants from several countries representing their governmental departments, multilateral organizations are here to discuss pertinent issues and draft future course of action. This Congress has 5 plenary sessions, 32 technical sessions, where discuss all issues related to disaster management comprehensive manner. A special feature of this Congress is also the role children and youth are playing in disaster risk reduction, bringing them their concerns, experiences, and good practices to the center stage, as they are the future leaders of disaster management in India and to the world at large. At the end of this World Congress, we will be coming up with the Visakhapatnam Declaration on Disaster Management, which will help us a roadmap for future course of action. Panel of experts from this platform will help draft this Visakhapatnam declarations. Finally, this is a historic moment as we are going to inaugurate a new chapter in disaster management. Our motto is Together for Safer World, Building Disaster Resilient Society. Thank you, sir.